If you want to find trash on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, what you can do is you can, for example, open the gallery. So if you deleted photos or videos using the gallery, then in that case we can switch to albums over here, and then you should be able to scroll down in order to find recently deleted. And here you can find everything that you have removed in the last 30 days. So you have the option to recover those photos or videos, or just permanently remove them. If you don't do anything with them within 30 days, then the phone is going to completely remove them for you. And besides that, if you used the file manager, the Xiaomi's file manager over here, in that case, unfortunately, you cannot really recover deleted files. There is no trash in here. So if you removed something using this app, then sadly, everything is gone forever straight away. A little bit unfortunate that this app specifically does not have any form of way to recover files, but it just is how it is. But if you use the Files app by Google, so the alternative file manager, then in here we should be able to tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and then we can go to trash, and here you can also recover files, not only photos and videos, but pretty much anything that you have removed using this app. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.